Got a cough? These foods could help stop it in seconds. 1. Honey. Nature's sweet cough remedy. Its antibacterial properties coat your throat and provide instant relief. 2. Ginger. This powerful root helps relax the airway muscles, reducing cough intensity. 3. Pineapple. Rich in bromelain, pineapple helps break down mucus and reduce coughing. 4. Peppermint. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant and soothes your throat. 5. Lemon in warm water. A simple and effective remedy, lemon's vitamin C boosts your immune system and soothes irritation. Try these foods next time a cough strikes and say goodbye to discomfort in seconds. Like and subscribe for more health tips.